Okay, welcome to video blog about Java web programming. Today I want to get you to create a simple JSP Servlet web application. So, do you know what is the difference between JSP and Servlet? JSP and Servlet. So, what JSP stand for? JSP is server play. And what Servlet stand for? It means server less mean something small. Example, you have portal and a big one, and we have portlet is a small component in portal. This means that you have server, a big one, big machine, and servlet, small component in web server. The web server. Okay, it's just some technical term. Okay, and so what's the difference between JSP and Servlet? What's the difference? So the difference is the same. It is the same. So I want to show you why it is the same. Okay, and now I create a new dynamic web project. Hello, just simple example. And you have web content here. You can create a JSP file in this. You need to push runtime environments for term case, add library server runtime. Okay, button. Remember, you have three places to indicate the JSS. The first is for Java runtime. You need to specify UTF-8 here, and the second is by encoding. It's used for Java runtime when translate from JSP Servlet into HTML. Java will look up the content type attribute, and it found that UTF-8, so it will translate into UTF-8. So about by encoding, it you for encode this index.jp file. So I want to remove it because we use HTML files. And another is used for browser. Browser will look up on the meta tab and content type meta, and we need to specify is UTF-8. So it means that two JSS here used for server, and this JSS setting here used for web browser. It means for client. So I want to create a form to submit information into server. Hello Servlet. Okay, in this form I use input type username. You should use ID and username is the same, are the same. Here is go to next files. Full name. Okay, and then we need a submit button. We try submit. Okay, submit button. So the values of the button is submit. Can you Vietnamese? Send Mỹ gửi. Okay. And true method. If we do not declare the default method is guest, so I want to give as post. Okay, and now I create a server. Servlet. See, Chrome. ThichHocIT. Post. Hello serverless. Hello serverless. This that's on. Remove some unnecessary command here. One is more easy to overview. We have two methods here, do guest and do boss. So it means that if you use your bot methods, you need to use to bot here and keep do guest be empty. Okay, and I can get the parameter that user request here. We call user request username and full name. Okay, and use request dot guest parameter username. This username need to map with the name values here. Okay, and get parameter for full name. Can't do now. Server receive username equal and receive full name equal. Okay, and then now I want server to respond. So you see, I want redirect to another page. Let's play and show you UTF-8 TF-8 UTF-8. Okay, remember three plays. Okay, and now when I forward into this page, I can in print now you replace dot guest parameter username here. Bring now username here. Full name. You can use in any ways the two sky replace and el. This con el. It is command in GP. This is con replace. This is small strip. Okay, so I need to use equal full name. Because full name not exist before, so I need to guess value. Okay. So now I run this application, and now you see if I send request, get response, send request to hello.cp. It's okay. You will see the problem. Okay, you see problem here. Programs then here. The first is username, second is password, right? And then the both username even in this. The name is Nguyễn Xuân Vinh. AdSense. You see, server on ready receive username and full name correctly. But when it send redirect to hello.cp, you see it's print nothing. So because I lack of the EL library, so I need to use replace. Yeah. You see, I receive nothing. What is the problem? Because when you send redirect, that means that the web browser send a redirect meta. So what different here? Response, send, redirect. This means that web server sends redirect access to browser. This means why. And then when browser change URL to new URL doesn't keep anything. It's correct. It's equal new request. It's equal new request. So it means that it do not store anything. A previous request. So if I want to skip the reverse parameter, so I need to do a different one. Cannot do this way. I need to use request the picture. Request the picture and put the hello.cp file. You see, in the first example, the URL is hello.cp. Remember, URL is hello.cp. So in the second example, so I use response and redirect dispatcher does forward request response. Okay. The second method one. The function request. Method 2 dispatcher forward. Okay, so what will happen? You see the URL is hello Servlet, different one. This means that it skip the URL of the servlet and it gets the values of the hello.cp file and include path into the response. This means that the hello servlet will get the data, read the HTML file, get the render values from hello.jp and send back to browser. So this means that browser don't need to redirect to another ones. Browser just use one request. This means that browser just use one request to hello servlet and hello servlet will render hello.cp and return to browser. Okay, that's the main idea. So I want to demonstrate with you there's no difference between CP and servlet. This means that I can replace this hello servlet by another one. I can replace hello.cp by another one. See, I can get string writer here. Respond as writer. AS writer string lines and put use values username use the PR to return new line, bring full name. Now I delete the hello.jp file. See, this means that I render the values of hello.jp file inside the servlet. See, sends. You also receive. So problem that when you send a message here, so it's written BR because string writer and not set the content type. Respond the okay, I need to set content type here. PR.cloud. Respond says content type test email. Against you see? Oh. Reverse header is mail, HTML, respond. Oh, I see. Because you ring lines mean that it has been included via. Okay, and we don't care about the VR. if you want to address view trunks, view post, this is name here. Okay. What's happened? Brighter. That's brighter. Okay, we have done. This means that I need to specify second content type before I print anything. Okay. So another example. Thus, I want to remove servlets. Before I remove servlets, I want to help you to change the servlet mapping. Example, I can use hello here. I don't use hello as servlet anymore. So it means I need to change this into hello. You see, I can change the URL. I don't use the default name of the class. So with change XML file, I need to restart the server. You see, can receive submit to hello. This hello sublet here. So now I remove the hello sublet and I change it to into JSP file. You see, I create hello sublet.jp here. I copy the business logic. UTF-8 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 okay, and now I can get the request value equal request guess parameter name here, and then I can bring out the name here. You see, okay, you identify username, full name is okay. Okay, and now I change up index.cb file to submit into hello serverless.cp instead of .server. Okay, now I need to delete it for you to make sure that I don't use this servlet anymore. So also need to remove from HTML web email configuration. Let's see. I run this application again. Send. Usage. I go to hello Scriptlet. I also get the values the same. So what difference between Scriptlet and JSP? With Scriptlet, you for with JSP is used you for something related to balance processing like HTML, Servlet, CSS, or some blog. Okay, about Scriptlet is used for present service. Okay, and there are many reasons you need to divide into JSP and Scriptlet in different files so that you can make your business more clear. With Scriptlet, you deploy the business, and with JSP, you deploy for user interface and some framework to apply for your task. So it means Scriptlet you use Java and JSP you use Tablets. So thank you for your attention. So I hope that you will enjoy with this lesson, and you will find out that no difference between JSP and Scriptlet. JSP and Scriptlet just help you to separate your application to be more easy to iterate. So thank you.